How you doing, officer?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fine today. Can you just state your name for the record and your badge number?
Patrolman McQuarrie, badge number 785.
It's nice to meet you.
I apologize, this is accident card. So
That's cool, man. Right? Like I said, you've been doing excellent as an officer. You the best that I've seen yet, man.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Best that I've seen yet. No, we really appreciate that. Because where I come from, you know, people act like dickheads, you know, and they abuse their authority.
No need for that, you know?
Definitely.
So, I'm going to make a report, right? If you wanted to go and sign complaints, if you get something along the lines of harassment, right, you would have to go to our court. It's at 1000 Route 10 Whippany. It's right across the Quick Check on South Jefferson Road.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, you can go there, go talk to the court ladies. They get you all set up on that. All right.
Okay.
If you wanted to take it that route, or if the route with just filing the grievance
right,
with the lift was sufficient, you know.
Right.
It's up to you.
Right.
All right. Unfortunately, I can't make complaints against him myself.
Okay. Right.
I wasn't here to physically see it.
Okay.
All right, but that's kind of your course of action if you wanted to take either of those two steps. I recommend.
Okay.
And now, then again, if you need a case number to refer court to,
right,
you got that there.
Okay, thanks, and I appreciate that. Is this the same case number for me to get the report to from now?
Yes. Yep.
Okay.
So if you wanted to, I would, in like 5 to 7 days, I'd call headquarters. You can find our number on our website. All right, just see, hey, is this report ready to be picked up? They're going to say yes, come pick up.
Okay.
All right, I say 5 to 7 days. I'm going to have this done in about, 2 hours.
Right.
It just takes time to get approved and go through the ranks. And,
definitely understand that.
Else, all right?
So I can ask you a question, officer?
Sure, absolutely.
I see a lot of police officers with body cams. How come y'all ain't got body cams?
We're getting ours in June.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the New Jersey just made it mandatory for all police departments, and they've given us funding so we can actually get them. So in the meantime, though, we have our cameras in the car.
Okay.
So that's why we try to keep everything in our working space. And,
right.
So it's all being documented. Again, I'm looking forward to getting the body cam.
Right. And I appreciate your professionality, man. By the way, man, I be posting my police encounters on YouTube. You can find it at Mind Elevation TV. I don't just post bad police shit, part of my language, but I like to post police officers like you because you are very well appreciated for what's going on out there in the world today.
There's a lot going on for sure.
Right. So we need more police officers like you. You know what I mean? Who know how to talk to the victims, who know how to, work and communicate the right way because you're here for us, right?
Absolutely.
I know that, man, and you just been hella professional, man, and I appreciate you so much, man. For real.
Pleasure to meet you too, all right?
It's a pleasure to meet you too.
All right. Take care. If you need anything, again, our number's on, it's actually on the back of that card as well at the bottom, all right? So if you need to give us a call, or you can just call 911 and...